The July shot recipe only requires 3 ingredients. It's almost too easy to make, so don't drink too many. But it's the perfect way to get the party started. Check out this recipe from our partners at Better Homes and Gardens.
These are the most patriotic shots ever. Start with a tall shot glass and pour in ½ ounce of grenadine. Top that with a ½ ounce of peach schnapps. It will sit right on top of the grenadine. Top it all off with a ½ ounce of blue curacao. Repeat in the remainder of the shot glasses, and that's it. They are not only pretty to look at, but taste delicious.
And to make sure those layers stay separate, make sure to grab a spoon and hold it as you pour in each different alcohol so it'll keep that red, white, and blue look. You flip the spoon over, you pour the alcohol over the back, and that's it. So for more great inspiration like this, you can always go to bhg.com. Better Homes and Gardens is owned by the same company that owns this TV station, the Meredith Corporation.